Namaskaram. When political party loses its face, when it is unclear of what it stands for, when they have no ideology to drive, they will try to dress up their exaggerations into facts and will try to survive. Congress party today is in such a situation. Their ideology itself is to create the maximum hatred against Narendra Modi in the public space. The latest controversy that this party is into is around the Congress toolkit. This toolkit is nothing but a document supposedly prepared by AICC's research wing. This document explains the ways and means to tarnish the image of Narendra Modi in the prevailing COVID situation in the country. Let me read out what Congress is proposing its workers to corner Narendra Modi. I will read that out one by one. Number one. BJP allowed Kumbh Mela to happen in Haridwar. So keep using the term super spreader Kumbh. People will naturally attach BJP's Hindu politics as the reason for the corona spread. Number two, collaborate with friendly journals and organizations and amplify the work done by the Congress organizations, and also show this in contrast with the apathy of government and BJP organizations. Number three, this is what their document says. I'm reading out. Keep bed and other facilities blocked in friendly hospitals. Release them only on Congress party's request. 4. Use COVID opportunity to destroy Narendra Modi's image and erode his popularity. Number 5. Collaborate with foreign correspondents who are working in India and brief them with talking points focusing on tarnishing Modi's image. Number 6. Keep using the phrases like missing Amit Shah, quarantined Jaishankar, insensitive Nirmala Sitharaman, etc., etc., etc. Number 7. Reinforce the anti-Modi messages through weekly magazines and cover stories. Number 8. Write letters to Modi at regular intervals with a mix of emotionally appealing ideas and some common sense suggestions. Number 9. Mobilize former civil servants to raise questions about PM Care Fund. Number 10. If any celebrity donates to PM Care, use Congress social media department to harass them on social media. The last and the number 11. Build a narrative that Gujarat continues to get a special COVID treatment by the Prime Minister. So this is what Congress is saying. Understood? If this is true, this exposes the internal intentions of Indian National Congress. This reveals how perverted their minds are. Remember, When America was in crisis post 9/11 attack, the biggest security breach in the history of the mankind, not even a single US media, not even a single member from the opposition criticized George Bush for security lapse. The entire United States stood with the president. Observe how the opposition party in Israel is reacting to the ongoing conflict with Palestine. The entire country is united under Benjamin Netanyahu. Congress party has all the rights to criticize Narendra Modi, no problem. They have all the rights to criticize Bharatiya Janata Party, no problem. But if their criticism crosses the limit and tarnish the image of my motherland, you don't deserve any mercy. ASSC has tweeted stating this document is fake. If that is proved true, I will withdraw my post at that time. Let us shout one more time together, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram. Thank you so much.